Hey loves, in this video, I will teach you how to make moringa leaf powder from the scratch. So if this sounds like something you'll be interested in seeing, please keep on watching. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, these are beautiful moringa trees. Moringa is a plant with numerous benefits. The leaves, the seeds, and the oils are packed with nutrients, vitamins like vitamin A, C, and E, and antioxidants that support hair growth. They all work together to nourish the scalp, prevent dandruff, and moisturize dry hair. They strengthen hair follicles, boost hair growth, and help with scalp circulation. So if you have access to moringa tree like I do, you can simply harvest the leaves by plucking them. Make sure to pick the younger greener leaves as they are more nutrient dense, and also avoid the damaged and the discolored leaves. Once you've gotten your leaves, it is important to clean them thoroughly using normal cold water to remove any dirt or impurities and insects. So I'm done washing the leaves. The next thing is to spread them out on a clean sheet to dry. So make sure you spread them out well. To dry this, you should avoid using direct sunlight to avoid loss of nutrient and also to maintain rich color. You can keep it in a shaded area with good air circulation. This should take like 2 to 3 days to dry. They should feel crisp and crumble easily between your fingers when they are fully dried. So as you can see right now, the leaves are completely dried. So you can go ahead and blend until they form a fine powder. I've also sorted everything out for easy blending. You can actually hit the like button at this point if this video is of any value, and leave a comment for me in the comment section. So this is what it's looking like after I was done blending. I went in as many times as possible to get this texture you're seeing right now. So the next thing to do after this is to sift the powder to your desired texture. So after I used the big sifter, I repeated the process again using a smaller sifter to get a more finer powder. There are several ways you can use moringa to promote hair growth, as a moringa oil to nourish your scalp, moisturize hair, and also as a hot oil treatment. So you can mix moringa powder into your DIY hair mask or treatment. It can be used as a moringa shampoo or conditioner. So you can actually use this to make moringa shampoo and conditioner. You can also consume moringa in your diet. This will provide essential nutrient that strengthens hair follicle from within to promote hair growth. So you are free to repeat the process until you achieve a smooth and finer powder. So I went all over the whole process again, but this time with a smaller sieve, and I think it made a whole difference. So the large pieces from the first sieve and this one from the second sieve, I'm definitely going to reground until I get a smooth powder consistency. At this point, our homemade moringa powder is ready to boost your hair growth naturally. See, DIYs like this are very good because they are simple to make, they are affordable, and also packed with benefits for your hair. At least you're sure of what you're using because you made it yourself, right? So you're very sure that what you're using is what it is, right? You can go ahead and store this in an airtight container away from sunlight and moisture. This can go months for you if stored properly. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of this video. If you made it to this point, please don't forget to leave a like on this video. Hit the like button. Leave a comment for me in the comment section. If you can, share this video with your family and friends who may need this video, okay? And also subscribe to me if you haven't subscribed already. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're an OG, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I don't take your love and support for granted. They mean so much to me. Until next time, bye.